anybody can trigger your N8N workflow, and you probably don't even realize it. Now, over the last few days, I've been recording this video. Over 1 million women across the United States had their information leaked online because of the T-app that got hacked. And in this video, I am going to be showing you exactly how to avoid that in your own systems inside of N8N. Now, the main problem when it comes to security and using something like N8N with webhooks is that if you don't add any security measures behind it, the user interface to the backend connection is public. Anybody with the endpoint of your webhook can access it and start it and do whatever they want to it. So a very simple and easy and effective way to secure everything that you have going on inside of your backend is simply adding a header, authentication, and or a token to act as a password or a key, right? So let's pretend that anyone who clicks on the UI, if that call to the backend doesn't have a key, it can't get inside the door. Now, this is crucial not only to prevent people from stealing information, but certain people will get information or get the webhook and they can just mess with you just because. They can come in here and run up the cost of your AI models, any third-party APIs you're using that cost money. They can come in here and just spam it. 1 million calls a minute. And then it would not only run up your bill, but crash down your entire system. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, the video for today is going to be a simple webhook to a local AI model to Slack. But really it's a book an appointment form that a user would fill out with their name, date of birth, a card number, and when they want to book it. So let's go ahead and start this up. Boom. What was it here? Boom. Let's go. Boom. Let's go. And dates. Let's do tomorrow. Schedule appointment. There we go. All right, let's go inside of here. Check it out. As you can see, there's no authentication for the webhook call. It's completely empty. So anyone with the endpoint, which is this right here, can get in there and do whatever they want. So to prevent that, let's go ahead. You want to go ahead and hit create new credential. The name's going to be authentication. And the value, you can make this up. You can make it literally anything that you want. So let's go ahead and name it add in. Actually, no. Before we do that, let's go ahead and test this out one more time. Let's do this. And now let's see. Now that we added a header for security, there shouldn't be any option, or it shouldn't be possible to start this workflow. Submission failed. Is your N8N server running? Now, the reason it said that is because, as you can see right here, it is running. It's waiting for the call. But because we added security and we didn't give the form the header security or the authentication header auth, it's not going to be able to access it. It doesn't have the key to get into that door anymore. So what we're going to do is add in a header auth to access the endpoint. No. So as that's doing that, be back in a second. Oh, okay, so I forgot to actually run it this time. So now we go back, try it again. Here we go. Click on this, that's to show you what the output looks like. So in a real scenario, this would be like a every time someone submits a form, it goes through a local AI model, creates some type of format that you want, and then it sends it to Slack. Yeah, sends it to Slack. And now that's option number one. Option number two is to do a token instead. So here we just pretty much create it's pretty similar. You just create a secret key. You would add it to the UI that you're using or wherever you're going to make the call from to activate the workflow. And it's pretty simple. You also just do a basic auth, which is like let me see, just show you. user and password, that's more like a login information. So like if their login information is username, password, and you have it saved and inside the endpoint for any users that's signed up, you can do it like that as well. But now for security reasons, I would highly recommend that if you are using a header auth, you rotate the key consistently, like every other month, once a quarter, once a week, whatever. Rotate that. I mean, you can set up automation to handle that as well, but then again, you don't really want to give all of your security to an automation, because if the automation gets leaked or broken into, then so I'm a big advocate for automation, but when it comes to security, I highly recommend that if you're going to do anything as human in the loop, you keep that as the security for it. Now, there are AI automations out there, AI tools to help you with security, but something like this, super simple, you can legit just create a handwritten token or auth password on a sticky note, stick it somewhere in your closet, no one else can find it, for your app. Write it down, change it out every week, every Monday, every Friday, whatever, mix it up. Number 2 is don't share your URL. Don't share the endpoint, because if they get that, even though you have a header auth, it doesn't mean that it's going to be 100% protected. The methods that I just showed you aren't 100% foolproof. Bad things can still happen. So don't share anything about the backend if you don't have to. Don't even tell people what you're running it on. Don't tell people that it's N8N. Don't tell people that you're using a local model. Don't tell anyone anything. That can give bad actors a edge over you without you even noticing it, right? I'm not gonna get into too many security details in this video, like what all this means, but number 3 is try to add in a proxy if you can for extra protection. I'm not gonna show it in this video, but I might make a video on that if you want to see it later on. But add in a proxy, and also add in a log and monitor every endpoint that comes through and gets hit. Super simple to do. You could easily just map out or pull the one of the fields that comes through and say, okay, this person hit the endpoint or started the workflow, let's monitor it and let's see who that person is, just to keep track of it, so you can have a better idea what's going on in your backend. So don't hesitate to click the link down below in the description, book a free call. We can sit down for 15-20 minutes, talk about what the system is right now that you have set up, and some security measures we can put in place for your AI automations to prevent yourself from becoming the T-app. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you.